Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 10 subject social science chapter number 7. The name of the chapter is, dear children, preservation of our heritage. What was the name of, dear children? The name of the chapter is preservation of our heritage. It means apna varsanu jatanu. Now first of all, dear children, we have to learn about the introductory part of the chapter number 7. You know very well that India has a unique place in the world. Dear children, what happened that you know very well that India has a unique place in the world level because of socially, economy and the cultural way. There has been a remarkable contribution of India in the field of knowledge, science, religion, culture and the art. Why we can say that the India has a unique place in the world level, dear children? Because India has given the remarkable contribution at the world level in the field of knowledge, science, religion, culture and the art. India has a rich and inimitable heritage. Dear children, what happened there? We can say that India has a rich and the inimitable heritage. Our heritage show an imperial dignity of the ancient India. What happened there, dear children? We can say that our heritage showing. It means we can say that our heritage show the imperial dignity of our ancient India from Mohenjo-daro, from Indus Valley civilization. So that's why we should be committed towards our preservation and the conservation of our heritage. So dear children, this is our responsibility that we have to preserve as well as we have to conservation of our heritage, which is almost demands of the present time, and that is one kind of the demand of the present time, that we have to preserve our heritage, and this heritage was given by our forefather or for our ancestors. Next one, dear children, they have to given for the need for the preservation of the cultural heritage. What they have to given there? They have to given the need for the preservation of the cultural heritage. It means सांस्कृतिक वारसाના સંરક્ષણની આવશ્યકતા. What is the meaning of the need for the preservation of cultural heritage? It means सांस्कृतिक वारसाના સંરક્ષણની આવશ્યકતા. The heritage of India is a multifarious which bring a glory to the nation. Dear children, we can say that whatever the heritage of India, it showing the glory means bhavyata to the nation. Cultural heritage accommodates sculpture, architecture, literature and the various arts and the natural heritage. Whatever the heritage, we can say that whatever the cultural heritage is, this cultural heritage accommodate, it means they have to include about the sculpture, architecture, literature and the various arts and the natural heritage. And because of that, we can say that nature and man-made factor. Which factor, dear children? Two factors. One is the nature, second one is the man-made factor. This nature and man-made factor are adversely affect our heritage. Hence, it is the preservation is the required. Our heritage glorify the people of our country, so they respect our heritage. Whatever the dear children, we can say that whatever our heritage is there, this heritage show the people of our country, and that's why we have to provide the respect to our heritage by associating it with their own identity. It means our heritage showing their own identity towards the world level and the national level. So therefore, it is necessary to develop the positive attitudes towards the management. So dear children, here our responsibility that we have to develop the positive attitude towards the management for the preservation of our cultural and the natural heritage. We should preserve the vanishing arts, architecture, so that upcoming generation can be inspired by the work done by our ancestors. What happened then? We have to preserve our art as well as the architecture, because of that upcoming generation, it means for the future generation, can inspire by the whatever the work done by our ancestor or our forefathers. As we are not much aware about the preservation of our heritage and our negligence degradation. Therefore, it has become necessary to preserve our heritage. What they have given them? Dear children, they have given them. This is our responsibility that we have to spread the awareness among the people. If we are negligible, if we are careless, and if we are not responsible, then what happened there? Then future generation can not learn or cannot see and not inspire whatever the heritage done by our ancestors. So this is the responsibility that we have to take the necessary step to preserve our heritage. Next one, dear children, they have to given the necessity of preservation of cultural heritage. What they have given the necessity of preservation of cultural heritage. It means सांस्कृतिक वारसाના સંરક્ષણની અનિવાર્યતા. What they have given that? They have given that सांस्कृतिक વારસાના સંરક્ષણની અનિવાર્યતા. Our heritage is the identity of the nation. What is the identity of the nation, dear children? We can say that our heritage is the identity of the nation. So the country which ignore it does not have any future. Dear children, remember, if any nation can ignore their heritage, this nation has no future. Heritage is our guide. The error we have committed in the past, dear children, whatever the mistakes or error we have committed in the past, we can learn from them and can be rectified in the present, and we can properly plan for the future. What they have given them? They have given that why our heritage are important, because whatever the error we have committed in the past can be rectified in the present, and we can properly plan for the future. And heritage act as a guide to decide the direction of our development. And dear children, we can say that whatever the heritage is there, this heritage provides the guideline as well as the given guide to decide the direction of our development of the future of the nation. Heritage is necessary for the transmission of the new consciousness across the country. It is necessary to bring the awareness among the people regarding the damage done to the places of cultural and natural heritage. What happened there? Dear children, it is our responsibility that it is necessary to bring the awareness among the people for our cultural and natural heritage, and we have to stop the people for damage done to the places of cultural and natural heritage. Not only in the government, but also in the common public should play their vital role for the protection of our heritage. Dear children, this is not only for the government responsibility that they have to care our heritage, but this is the responsibility of each and every citizen that they have to protect our heritage, and they have to play a very important role for the saving and the preserving our cultural heritage. As a heritage is considered as an idol for the people. What happened then, dear children? We can say that whatever the heritage is there, this heritage is considered as an idol. Idol means others for the people. It is necessary to stop its degradation, and greater damage have been done to our heritage because of the invention of the foreign trade and our unawareness. Why the maximum of our heritage was living? Because we are unaware of our heritage. And second thing, that foreign trips are the ruler into our nation for the 200 years. Because of that, what happened there? Our heritage is great damages. So it is our moral duty as well as the government duty as well as the common public duty to conserve and preserve our heritage. What happened there, dear children? We can say that it is our moral duty, government duty as well as the common people duty that we have to maximum aware the people and we have to preserve our heritage. Next one, dear children, they have to give about the tourism industry and our heritage. Which one they have to give? They have to give tourism industry and our heritage. It means पर्यटन उद्योग અને આપણો વારસો. Various sites of the natural and cultural heritage of India have been accommodated in the list of the World Heritage by the UNESCO. Dear children, you know very well that at the world level, UNESCO was working for giving the accommodation as well as the list of the tourist places. So our Indian many accommodate places of the various natural as well as the cultural heritage are given by the UNESCO. Many people come to visit, explore and do the research on our heritage from India and other countries. What happened in we can say that many people come to visit, explore and to do the research on our heritage from India and other countries. This boosts our tourism and transportation industry. Because of that, we can say that it is boosting up our tourism as well as the transportation industry. Along with that, economic benefit to the concerned states, tourism industry and provide the appropriate opportunity for the proper platform to showcase our multifarious culture and the tradition in the front of the world. This is the important tourism industry that provide the appropriate opportunity to provide the proper platform to the world level to show our arts, tradition and the culture to the world level. Apart from this, tourism also provide employment to the local people. What happens then we can say that the tourism also provide the employment to the local people, and this keep the vanishing the arts and the tradition alive. Nowadays, tourism as a subject has been added in the field of the education. What happened then? In the 21st century, in the present time, we can say that the tourism is a subject is added in the field of the education, which is eventually promoting the tourism guide and the independence business. India and the foreign currency from the foreigner visitors. Dear children, you know very well that the India and the foreign currency from the foreigner visitors. Introducing the heterogeneous culture, it is enlightened that the talent of our country we have to show at the international level. Facilities like metal road, railway, water, communication, etc. develop around the sites of heritage. What happened there? We can say that here we have to also develop the facility like metal road, railway, water, communication, etc. develop around the site of the heritage. And you can take the recently example of the tourism for the Girnar ropeway. So same way, what happened that these all things are also promote your states and also they have to show the world level whatever your national as well as the cultural heritage. Tourism encourage the activity like photography, horse riding, boating, etc. So because of that, simultaneously provide the employment to the street workers, varied culture and indigenous art and their features have got a proper platform for the development. So dear children, we can say that this tourism industry as well as our heritage provide the culture as well as the indigenous art and given a proper platform for the development of our nation. So dear children, I am requesting each and everyone that in near Doraji, Junagadh is there, and Junagadh now Girnar ropeway was now Girnar ropeway starting. So dear children, what happened then? This kind of same way, this tourism industry provide great opportunity for as a subject in the education as well as they provide the employment to the many people. Thank you, dear children.